Hello the 21st century audience, welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked my last video, and if you haven't watched it, please make sure you go and have a look. Having said that, I believe the title of this video might surprise you. But we all have seen how virus can actually impact a lot of lives. This virus has impacted even the technology. No, I'm not talking about any new variant of COVID-19, but a virus that has been existing much prior to COVID-19. Yes, and that's called prejudice, which has slowly corrupted our technology by the host called humans. Not sure what I'm talking about? Well, the way our artificial intelligence works is highly prejudicial. And I'm going to prove this by taking some very common examples. First, we'll just lay down a couple of rules. So these are as follows. I have already opened Amazon and I would be searching for some very common products but with the keywords for girls, for boys, and we're going to see the search results, the majority of appearances and how they are displayed by the AI. And we're not going to consider the sponsored products but the products that have been displayed per se. So let's go.
Okay, so the first product that I'm going to search for is bottles for girls, and keeping in mind that we won't be considering the sponsored products but just the products that have been displayed per se, we'll just take a quick outlook of this first search page, which already has pink, blue unicorns, more pinks, sponsored products that we won't consider, more pinks again, unicorns, pinks. We also have vibrant colors, but they just consist a minimum. The majority consists of pinks. Pretty aesthetic, right? Now we'll just replace the keyword girls and write the keyword boys and see the search results. Rules being the same, that we won't consider sponsored products, but they're just products that have been displayed per se. And we can already see orange, Spider-Man, all the dark colors. Again, I mean frequent Spider-Man appearances, dark colors all over the page. We also have whites and light blue, but I think that they are just a minimum again. Majorly the search pages of the dark colors. So yeah. Next common product that I'm going to take is bags for girls, and we can already see light colors and glitters, female characters printed on the bags, unicorns again, light colors. We also have black and dark colors, but their percentage is comparatively less. We also have one Spider-Man, but that's just probably one result that comes throughout the page. Others again, Minnie Mouse, princesses, light colors. So yeah. So now I'll just replace the keyword girls and write keyword boys, and as expected we all have dark colors and Captain America shields, frequent and recurring dark colors, just one pink, and that's just I guess one that appears throughout the page. All the recurring dark colors, Spider-Mans, and that was like pretty much expected. Okay, so this one's for the parents with little kids. Here we are going to search toys for girls and for boys, and we already have the results. It is to be noticed that there would be results such as helicopters, robots, cars, vehicles that would be displayed, but we need to notice that this percentage, the display of these products percentage, is far less than that of the products such as kitchen set, dresser set, or the pink set. So the percentage actually matters over here. Now repeating the same exercise that we did for bottles, we have for toys, and we already have our search results. We have toys as robots, vehicles, remote controls, helicopters. Nothing girly and more of a boyish, more remote controls. We also have Nerf here and some repetitive products. And you'll also notice we have one kitchen set, but that's probably just one that appears. So now this is the last product, and I'm sure most of my audience would be able to relate to it, and that's phone covers for girls and for boys. For girls we have Hello Kitty, pinks, glitters, light colors. We have few dark colors, but as I've been saying since long, it's repetitive, light colors, pink colors. Now we replace the keyword girls and write the keyword boys, and we have our results. And now you'll notice that there are so many covers that even girls can like and even boys can like, but then they are specifically divided. So yeah, based on their dark colors and boyish appearances again. So that is what I meant when I said that we would be able to relate.
So, hi. If you're managed to stay put with this incredibly monotonous yet very important search results, a big thumbs up to you. So let's just get back to our topic of the virus. Also, please see, this is not only limited to Amazon but to majority of the companies using the AI. No child is born with the answer to what's your favorite color. I remember my brother having 5 different colors as his favorite colors during 5 different months. I remember having one of my classmates saying that his favorite color was pink and being mocked by his friends as "tu ladki hai kya?" I also remember one kid insisting to buy a Barbie set but was given a remote set instead. These prejudices are enforced by society. Just as values taught during childhood become the reflection of an adult's personality, the ideas of gender-based likes and dislikes become permanent in one's mind as one ages. Thus, they become the victims in this vicious cycle. Emanating from the same vicious cycle, we have the pink tags. The video for the same has already been uploaded on the Instagram account. Thank you for watching this, and remember, we are brave, bold, beautiful. Thank you.